Hi, this is Omar Al Mukhtar. Today is 25 November 2019. I will talk in this video about how to create a game, Java game. Uh, the link is here, as you see at GitHub. And this is the game. It's escape game. You can move the picture of character by arrow keys board, and the enemy will generate randomly, and you should escape. When some accident happen, still uh, you to click OK to restart the game. So let's go to the code. Here the code. Tomato monster. Let's open with the brackets. Here the code. This is the picture of the background picture, and this code to repeat the picture and make background moving background. So repeat at Y. You can change it to X axis to repeat as X axis. For Y axis it will move the background move from up to down. Here let's go to the code. JavaScript code. We'll describe it from the start. Here the function to load image, the enemy image equal new image, and here we put the image for the enemy. Here my image, and this function to initiate the canvas. I put here game over equal false, then pin canvas.get context 2D. This means game is 2-dimension, and this is the width. W equal the width and h equal the height. Here to load image, shape is Omar picture, and the dimension is XY. The speed here 25. This is the function update. Just cancel it, nothing will happen now. This is the draw function. This is the code draw image. To draw the image, we'll take this Omar image and the X, Y, W and H. Add the listener events function button go press. When you press any button on keyboard, will read it. Is the keyboard arrow up, you will move. Should be minus to move up. This for not going out of the canvas. So if we see here the picture here, when I go up now, the page is stop at the end, but if I remove this condition, the picture will go outside of the range. Let's return back to the when the key is arrow down, we should add 15. I can reduce this, the 15 I can reduce or increase to control on the speed, movement speed. This is arrow left, same thing, and arrow right. Also this condition, if you remove it, you will go outside of the canvas range. Or here when you press anything, we will generate enemies. Enemies is arrays, and we will generate new enemy. The enemy is function, so I will see with like class, and they will push new enemy to generate many enemies. Here the speed, this is the enemy as a function. It get x, y and speed, and here this dot x is dot h. This dot draw, it draw image, and this is same thing in animation. Let's go here. Will the function draw, it will draw the shape, and we should clear the old image and drawing new image for the shape. And this function, this code mean we will implement this function for each element of the array called enemies. So this function will implement or on each to draw each enemy inside enemies. Do enemies update. This to generate random number between 0 and 1 to make many enemies. Here we will push the enemy. Here we will check for each ship and enemy if there is any colliding, like accident between two picture. We will give this alert, and the game over will be true to end the game and restart from the beginning. This is the function for the accident. Take the position for each picture, and if it's equal, it will end the game. Here the render will execute draw update. This console just for me, for the developer. Function start the game also will initiate render function. This is the start game. To download the code, you will go to this address. Thank you.